Good morning, all you little taco bites.
Taco bites?
Taco bites are our friends. Team Taco?
Oh,
taco bites?
Okay, that's good.
You guys like it, don't you?
Your taco bites now.
But as I was saying, Team Taco is here with another adventure, and today we are visiting the Big Bear Alpine Zoo. Sign right there. So why don't you come venture with us as we explore and see lions and tigers and bears. Maybe just bears. I don't think they're lions and tigers. But we hope you enjoy this adventure. Let's begin.
Alright, here we are at the Big Bear Alpine Zoo. I thought it'd be a lot bigger.
That's not the zoo.
That's not the zoo?
No. That's an outhouse.
That was the zoo.
Outhouse.
Oh. Never mind.
It makes a noise when you pet it.
It does? Oh, let me try. Hello.
No,
What the?
you're not petting it right. See, Alexa right there.
What the? Okay. Welcome to my zoo. You may enter.
So, if you can see right here, the prices are for adults, 12 bucks. Kids, 9. Seniors, 9. You're going to get there soon, J-Pup.
Ah.
And children, 3 and under are free. But if you're a zoo member, you get free admittance.
Free. It's always good. What is it?
Green diving beetle.
A diving beetle? It looks like a fish to me.
No, they're up top up there. Look on the top. You can see their little legs. See them?
Oh, that's a beetle?
Go underneath and you can see the legs kicking.
Crazy. Little African hedgehog hiding in the back. See him in the corner? Bite you.
This is, I think, the smallest, one of the 3 smallest of the bear species.
The black bear?
I think it is something like that. It's one of the smaller ones. I expected the skull to be bigger.
I know, it's actually pretty small, huh? Ooh, look at the tortoise shell. Oh, little turtle shells.
Yeah, they're cold.
I see little Spooky. So here we are, Alpine Zoo in Big Bear, California. Which is a rehabilitation kind of zoo, right?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Where are they?
There's one up top right there. See them?
Oh, look at this little head.
I can't see from the sun, and I think there might be another one over there.
And who's this?
That might be Kite, a female kestrel, suffered a broken wing in 2017. Unable to mend the break, it is necessary for the wing to be amputated.
Oh, wow.
The Kite can't be returned to the wild.
Oh. Hi there, Kate. This is Captain Jack Sparrow because he only has one eye. But Captain Jack Sparrow didn't only have one eye, did he?
No, they probably...
Just because of pirate reference.
Yeah.
Arr. Look at little Spooky. This is your favorite.
This is my bird right here.
This is your spirit animal, right?
One of them.
One of them.
The other is a sloth. So let's see.
There they are.
This one says 4 names, so I don't know which one it is. If it's Bubba, Gump, George, or Gracie. George?
Oh, I answered to George.
Are you George? Is that you, George?
Hey, George. I'm gonna call you George.
Hi, George.
Oh. Hey, George.
Or are you Gracie?
I think it's George. He answered to George.
Hey, George. Are you George?
I'm gonna call you George.
Let's see.
Bye, George.
George was found in 2015 and brought to the zoo from a Southern California rehab facility. They can live approximately 13 to 17 years in the wild and 30 in captivity.
Wow.
How old are you, George?
Come back here, George.
I think that one might be George.
It was answering to George.
Yeah, he started reacting when you said George.
All right. Bye, George. So, you have crows and you have ravens. What's the difference with a crow and a raven? Aren't they the same kind of bird?
No. I want to say the raven has some bluish black feathers, and one of them is significantly larger than the other.
Oh, which one's bigger? Probably the raven, I would think.
I thought the raven was bigger. Because these ones don't look as big as George did. I think it's that name was George.
It was George.
You know the best thing about crows?
What's that?
Well, do you know what you call a group of crows?
What do you call a group of crows?
A murder.
Really?
No, seriously. A group of crows is called a murder.
A murder of crows. Hey there, little buddy.
Oh, Pippin.
Pippin, the red fox?
Pippin the red fox.
Who is asleep. How big are you, little Spooky, in comparison to the bear?
I'm a kid-sized Happy Meal.
Basically.
Look, I reach his tongue.
Nom 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 nom. Little Spooky's excited because this is her other spirit animal.
Grizzly bear. The California grizzly bear has been extinct, I think, since like the early 1900s. That's
Really?
what I read. Yeah. Like they're no longer native or in the mountains anymore.
Oh, oh, that's sad.
You'd have to look it up to verify that.
He's getting up. But you're a little bit slower. Wait, it's you if he just turns around and lies down again. Look at how excited little Spooky gets. That is pretty cool. Look how massive.
You think they sell them at the gift shop? Look at
I don't think so.
So there are Tutu, Isla, and Harley. Harley is the big one.
Oh, okay. Those are mighty big bears. You think this deer will follow you?
No.
Ah?
He has a salad.
Hey,
I think that's green
little Spooky,
lettuce.
you like salads?
I do.
And that bear seems to eat it the same way you do, with nothing, no dressing, no nothing.
That's the best way to eat a salad.
So I guess I can no longer say that you eat rabbit food. I guess you eat bear food.
I'm just trying to figure out if it's romaine lettuce or green leaf. It looks green leaf lettuce.
Really? I hate when people watch me eat.
Look at that one. When is my turn? I want to eat too.
Where's my salad?
Why is they look at a salad?
So I guess he has a citrus salad. Yeah. We see these guys all the time.
One of them came right up to the truck when I was sitting in it.
Really?
Yeah, I told you. The coyote was trotting up the drive. And
Oh, that's right. He's like, hey, what's up?
Thank God the neighbor's dog started barking.
All the coyotes are sleeping.
Oh, it's a nice day.
Well, yeah. Let's be honest. We'd be sleeping too.
I'd be napping.
Team Taco nap time. Is that fake?
No, that's real. The one they're both real. Maybe they
Oh,
thought was
yeah.
a female. Oh, we know. They both get the white heads.
They both have white heads.
Yeah. They both have white heads.
This is one of my spirit animals. The red-tailed hawk.
What is Shanti one?
I think so.
Oh, the golden eagle.
Hey, beautiful. How you doing?
Baja, Squints, and No Name.
And no name?
No Name.
Oh, I'm all about no name.
Baja is a female with a left wing injury. Squints was just rescued, male. No Name, rescued with a broken wing.
And this one is a golden eagle. Doesn't look too golden though.
Okay. 32. So this is either Lulabelle or Aries.
Ooh, Aries is a cool name for an eagle. I'm gonna go with Aries. Alright, now we're in the nocturnal habitat. What's in here?
This one says a ringtail.
A ringtail.
Yeah.
Where are you, little guy?
Probably asleep if it's nocturnal.
Oh, that is true.
It smells like pizza in here.
You just said it smells like pizza?
Yeah.
So nocturnal.
Animals smell like pizza.
Ah. I see no animals in here.
No.
Do nocturnal animals turn invisible at night?
I think so.
I think so.
Or the T-Rex thing, where if you don't move, you can't be seen. So maybe they're not moving, so they're invisible to us.
Oh, so that's how they fight off predators. They go by the T-Rex thing.
Exactly.